Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a little different. So lately you haven't seen my 2019 Silverado in a while. I actually got rid of it and now have a 2021 Chevy Silverado 6.2 liter V8. So I upgraded, bigger motor, newer year. I currently wanted to get into a diesel, but you know the way diesel prices and how the markets went up for diesels. So I went for a gas, just bigger motor. I needed something bigger to pull a camper because we got a camper also. It's currently 2022, but in 2021 I got this, and then I got the camper. I also have a new toy that will be coming out soon. The first thing I'm going to go over with this truck, I straight piped it. So that's the first thing I love doing to these trucks of mine. So I am going to show you what I did, how I did it, and why I did it. So let's get right into that. As you all know, I had one other video for my 2019 Silverado of straight piping it. I mean, a lot of people say it's not straight piped in some way for this truck and the other truck. Some things you just can't take off because of how new it is. I mean, most of it's illegal anyways, but just muffler deleting it and taking the resignators out of these new trucks is the closest thing to straight piping legally that most people can get to. I still want my factory warranty with this truck, so I'm not going to take the cats off, change the heads, change all the stuff with the motor. I'm going to do things to the motor, but not things that are going to void my warranty. Now when the warranty's gone, if I still have this, oh yeah, I'm taking lots of stuff off, which is another reason why I got my other toy, which y'all will see in probably the next video. The resignators right now are still on there. I don't know if I just want to take the rest of the exhaust from the cat and just try to straighten it out as much as possible, because they squish it into like a flat pancake going underneath the transmission. I basically just threw a pipe in there and welded around it. That's for now, but let's get a startup of it and show you how it is. Sounds pretty good for a newer truck. I mean, yeah, the resignators are still on there. Without the resignators, it'll sound more like my 2019. I mean, obviously it's a bigger motor in this one, but my 2019 was just a regular old 5.3 V8, and it had the little rasps to it. That's all I got for you now, but leave a comment in the description if you got any questions. I'll try to put as much info in this as I can on everything I used. I mean, it's all self-explanatory really, but thanks for watching and see you in the next video.